Step 1. Open your project. First, open the Capcut project that contains the video you want to crop. Step 2. Select the video clip. Click on the video clip in the timeline to select it. Once selected, you'll see several options appear in the top left corner of the timeline panel. Step 3. Click the crop tool. Look for the crop ratio button and click it. A cropping window will pop up. Step 4. Adjust the crop area. You can now drag the sides of the crop box to adjust it as needed. Position and resize the crop to your liking. Step 5. Confirm the crop. Once you're satisfied with the crop, click Confirm in the bottom right corner of the pop-up. Now your video is cropped. You might notice black bars appear depending on the project's aspect ratio. Adjust the project ratio. To remove the black bars, click the ratio button in the bottom right corner of the interface. Choose an aspect ratio that fits your cropped video, for example, 4:3 or 16:9, based on your preference. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.